So here we are in Amboseli. Got a couple of elephants behind me. We're just checking things out, and yeah, you see that behind me, right? Kilimanjaro, right there. Yeah.
Filming you.
Film what?
Aha. That's cool, eh? It's like an ABBA song remix.
How's it going, Jerry?
Good on you, man.
Doing good.
What you doing?
Videotaping you, videotaping me.
That's like, so one of us has to be Leonardo DiCaprio, because this is like Inception.
Ooh, elephant dung decays. Plastic never.
Now see, my little bit of OCD bothers me here. Because some steps I have to do 4 or 5 steps. Other steps I can just take 2 and then go up. It bothers me.
Stairs. Gotta love fucking stairs. Fragile soils. Stay on the trail. So, just climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. I pooped.
Chuck.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro's the one over there. Sorry, man.
Oh, balls.
A group of 80 stopped. See, they have a little pocket there.
Oh, yeah.
So they keep moving in. A long shot with like them in the landscape is pretty cool. See if they keep coming.
And let's talk about landscape photography.
I like it. Can take a picture of this. But come closer. Yes. For a landscape, you always try and think of it as a story. There's an introduction, there's a middle, and there's an end. So you want to have something that anchors the frame in the front. So you need something in the bottom somewhere. Well, this is broad strokes to anchor your eye, and then leading lines and stuff taking you up. So if you think of this tree, for example, so I'll show you here. Okay, we need to maybe walk around, but this tree would anchor it. Anything that anchors the bottom of the frame, and then you go up into the frame.
Okay.
I find with landscape photography, either something nicely in the foreground, or even if you had a tree closer in the foreground, but not like right in front of you,
Yeah.
but something to anchor, and like, so all the focus always goes to that main subject, and the rest of it is just butter.
Yeah.
With cream cheese
Ooh.
and bacon.
It must be that hike up the mountain that made you so hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah. He still thinks he actually climbed Kilimanjaro. It's weird.
Did you guys know that an elephant bull's sex organ can weigh up to 27 kilograms? Take that, you monkey.